What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a cold start on this. It's Troy Bilt Super Bronco. It just shot the crap out of me. I don't know what is up with the electrical system or what. It's like the ignition was on, I could hear it clicking, and then all of a sudden, you might not think you can get shocked, but it shocked the living crap out of me. Yeah, I don't want to get blown up. Got a weird kind of bolt in there. This is what it's got. 19 horsepower Kohler, whatever. Basically, I'm gonna do a cold start. You can see everything is like cold. This has got a weird oil leak, but it runs good. So, actually thinking about taking the engine off this bad boy and putting it on my racer, but who knows. Let's see, how do you start this thing? That's how you start it. See if it starts. Hold on. I gotta press the brake. Yep. Come on. I ain't got no gas in it. I drained all the gas out of it this winter. Come on, baby. Okay, it flooded itself. That makes sense. There it is. Arm like a kitten. Take it for a little ride. It's a hydrostatic. So if you hear a weird noise, that's what it is.